Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so we can see that actually we actually reached the red box I was talking yesterday. I could have done it maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, so we're entering this box now. If I zoom in, I am on the 1 hour. You can see that yeah, we got in and currently getting rejected. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so we had a possible 1, 2, or just an A, a B, and a C. Now it's going to be challenging. Let me go maybe on a 15 minutes. Can I see from here? Could it be that this is like a potential 1, 2 diagonal, this a third wave? Maybe this was the fourth and this is the fifth. I mean, yeah, I can. Let me see, 1, 2, and all that 3, and then this was the 4 and the fifth. So technically, yeah, once again, this is on a 15 minutes, so I wouldn't rely, on it, but very possible, very possible. But actually, no, don't. You see, on a short-term period like that, it's so hard because we didn't even really break the trend of this, allegedly third wave, and we just went on the side. But it could be. But I know sometimes maybe people find them boring, but forget about the structure when we go on a 15 minutes or even a 1 hour. What's important is that we did reach the 0.382 fib retracement here, and actually it's not there anymore because we already got it. And then the next level, it's this one, right? And then after that, I said 8 cents, 7, and we're almost there. And we do have the MA 200. This is why I draw the box here. And yeah, so it's looking great. Now, don't forget, I mean, this is our last fifth wave, right? So after that, prepare psychologically for a bigger pullback. Now, yeah, once again, let me readjust this one. So for a moment, I'm going to put it here. Yeah, but actually, no, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, here. Yeah, okay. Third, let me update the fibs now. All right. So now our fourth wave, because the third wave went way higher. Now, and actually I could also remove this one here, maybe a little bit. Cleaning up a little bit the space, maybe add the 3x. Yeah, so we almost reached the 3x for the third wave. Now, is this the fourth wave? We shall see. Yeah, I guess today, or can you imagine we're going to have another fourth wave weekend? Very possible, very possible. But yeah, let me see here. Yeah, the wave 2 was kind of long, so usually wave 2 and wave 4 have about the same length, so it's going to end up, yeah, that's about Saturday, but it could stretch longer. And I think that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. I just want to emphasize on on these 5 potential waves up now. Okay, so let me take the brush so it's easier to follow. So we have a first wave 1 in green, we have the wave 2, we have the wave 3, very steep wave 4, and now done we do have a higher high compared to the third wave, and it's actually a decent one. So I mean, everybody's happy. Almost 3. Did we reach the 2x? We didn't reach exactly the 2x. I think that's misleading. Should it be in green? Yes, it should. Anyway, for me, so third wave reached. We went up at least one level. Actually, a lot of time I could add the 1.786 fib retracement. So usually it goes a level higher or 2. So in this case, we add the 2x. Yeah, for sure, 2.38 or 2.618 would be amazing, but who knows? It could still be possible because this is crazy. But the third wave, I think on yesterday video I said we would really need like a very nice steep and impulsive movement to the upside to have a very strong third wave, so we can reach the with the 4 and a 5 maybe reach this box. But now the amazing thing is that the third wave by itself reached the box, so it is possible that we do a 4 and a 5th and we go much higher. Yeah, perhaps maybe reaching 10 cents, or I almost feel now I can add the 2.618. And so that would bring us to almost 12 cents. We would have another confluence of level. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so all that to say that worst case scenario, let's say now the 5th wave ended here and we just did an ABC, and that's it, right? So what would be the pullback? Maybe don't like this setting. So once again, all this would count only for the bigger wave 1, and eventually after I'm going to reduce these, actually minutes, not bad. So all this would be a wave 1, and we're going to have a wave 2 eventually, right? So once again, this is wave 1, maybe we already reached the top, and then we're going to have an A, a B, and a C. For me, the first entry level, if price doesn't go higher, because this is, well, if price go higher, this Fibonacci retracement is going to scale up as well. It's going to follow the price a little bit. So this would be my first scale back in level. The 0.618 would be the second level, and the 0.786 would be the third level that I would gradually scale back in or scale in or accumulate more. And the more we go lower into the fib retracement, the more I would scale in. I'm talking general, right? For disclaimer, I do have some bread, very happy. And let me go maybe now on the 8 hours so that we can have a better understanding of this crypto coin. So this is a diagonal, as you can see, an A, a B, and a C. Yeah, before I was almost looking for a 3 and a 4 and actually a very nice 5. But after that we did this messy thing and just barely made a 5th wave. So as you can see, I still left it there, but it's really ugly. And it just makes more sense to say this was an A, a B, and a C for a wave 1. And all this was just an A overshooting wave B and a C. We went very, very deep, into this second wave. What else can I say now? This 5-way up, it's amazing, right? But this, let me draw on the side now, because yeah, when I scale out, this is crazy. But all this is going to be part of a wave 1. So this is a wave 1. We're going to have a wave 2, and then a 3, a 4, and a 5. Now, this is what I'm looking for. So this is the A, this is the B, potentially, right? And this is a C, because we can just have an A, a bigger B, and an amazing C wave. So this is a 1, 2, 3. Perhaps I label it like this, because people are more comfortable with numbers. But really, I really feel this is just an A, a B, and a C, and after that, this is going to be the end of the bull market, and we're going to start the bear market here, and maybe this kind probably will die off. So be careful. Not a financial advice, but this is not a crypto coin I would hold for the next bear market. And so once again, if this is the A and this is a B, the C it will have 5-way up. This is how it explains the micro 5-way up now. This would be just a wave 1. When Bitcoin is going to make a bigger pullback, which it's expecting anytime now, we are going to make that wave 2 here, somewhere here. I know that's crazy, I shouldn't draw there. And after, when it's going to Bitcoin try to attempt to make a new high, then that's going to be our third wave. And perhaps maybe Bitcoin, yeah, for sure is not going to do a new all-time high in one shot, right? So it's going to have a pullback. So ideally, Brett is going to have his fourth wave. And yeah, and then after that, when Bitcoin is going to make an all-time high, I don't know, around under 25, under 30, then we're going to have our fifth wave. So this is how I see things if Brett is going to really work out. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. And definitely if Brett reach, I mean 25 cents or 30 cents, I'm going to start to take profits. And if we go higher, then I will take more profits. Yeah, so the thing you don't want to do with a meme coin is not taking profits when it shoot up. Secure your profits, at least take back your capital, and after that, if you wanna let it run a little bit, you let it run, but at least the important thing is that you're not losing any money. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And believe it or not, I just wanted to make a short video, and now this is 30 minutes 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. All right, have a good day. Bye.